Greetings students, welcome to my class. Students, yesterday we started your writing section, and in your writing section yesterday I told you about letter writing. I told you what is letter writing, why it is important in our life. Yesterday I told you that how many types of letters are there. There are two types of letter, informal and formal. I told you about both, to whom we write the informal letter and to whom we write the formal letters. And I have also told you about the marking scheme of formal letter, uh, format of formal letter, and types of formal letters. Types of formal letters, the first type we did yesterday was letter to the editor. I told you about its format, how to write, and everything I have told you about how to write letter to the editor. Today we are going to do the letter of inquiry, that means inquiry letter. But first of all, we will see that why do we write letters of inquiry. We can write letters of inquiry maybe to get the details of any particular book, details of institution where you want to take admission, details of the tariff of any hotel where you are going for some holidays or to stay, details of any product you want to buy, details of any test you want to give of, and details of brochure of any place, etc. So letters of inquiry we write basically to get the details of anything which we want to buy, go there, take admission, any course, book, institution, tariff of a hotel room, anything. So we want to inquire something, so we write letter. That is, those letters are called letter of inquiry. So now let's discuss the format of letter of inquiry. Letter of inquiry also comes in the category of formal letters, so the format will remain the same, but still we have to discuss. The first thing will come sender's address. In sender's address, we should mention the email and contact number only if it is given in the question paper or it is required. Otherwise we will write the sender's address. After that we will leave one line and then we will write the date, and I have told you how to write the date. And after leaving one more line, yes students, you have to maintain the line gap. After sender's address, leave one line. If you leave two lines, that is fine, there is no problem in that, but one line would be sufficient. Then you write date as I have told you. Then you write receiver's address. Receiver's address is the address of the person whom we are writing the letter. After receiver's address, leave one line again, then write the salutation. In salutation you can write dear sir, ma'am, or you can write dear sir or ma'am. If the gender is unknown, most of the cases you can write sir. After salutation we will leave one line and then we will write the subject. Subject should be always in brief. It should be in one line only. It should not take more than one line. Subject should be precise. Then comes the body of the letter. It is the main important part of any letter. First, I have told you that you should divide the body of the letter minimum 2 to 3 paragraphs. In first para you can introduce of yourself and the purpose of writing the letter. In para 2, details of the topic, what details you want to know about that particular thing you are inquiring. Then the para 3, last paragraph, you have to conclude, you have to give an end to your letter. Then after completing your body of the letter, you will use complementary clause. Complementary clause, I have told you that what complementary clause you can write. You can write yours truly, faithfully, or sincerely, any one of them. Then after using the proper complementary clause, you will write the sender's name, signature, and designation. If designation is given or it is required, then only you will mention the designation. Otherwise you will write sender's name. You're writing, your name will come. If the name, sender's name, is given in the question, then you'll write the same name. Otherwise, if the name is not given, then you can write XYZ or ABC. Don't write your name, your own name in sender's name and signature. So this was the format